10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Welcome back to Professor Suspect and his Magical Machine. My name is Professor Suspect and you're watching Professor Suspect and his Magical Machine. It's been a long time since the last video came out. That's because I was on tour with my band and I've been singing along all over the world. It's been a very nice tour with all of my friends. I hope you understand the long delay since the last video. And yeah, this video is all about joysticks. I came to the conclusion that the Doepfer 3D-Joystick,
a Doepfer 3D-Joystick,
is the one with the most outputs and the most fun possibilities. I've directly ordered 2 of them.
2 Doepfer 3D joysticks.
I have considered to get another one. It has several outputs, and it hasn't 10 on each side. That means there are a lot of outputs on this module, high pass on the. So the thing is, with 2 joysticks, I can, you know how it works. There's also the possibility to push the joystick on top.
Because there's one button on each side.
This one will be a listening exercise. I will show and tell how the machine is connected with it. I hope you like. If you're not, please consider subscribing. Subscribing. I hope you like. Let's take a listen. So, let's fire this thing up. Where are my keys? The first thing I've had to do to show you what the joysticks are capable of in combination with
my magical machine
would be to get out my keys and then
start the magical machine.
And that's exactly what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna
start up my magical machine.
Are you ready? Let's fire this thing up. There we go. To show you the capabilities of my joysticks, I'm gonna play the beginning of my current live set. It's actually my first time playing the set from above, so don't be hard with me if I make some mistakes, cause I'm playing it from above.
Why?
Sometimes
Observe your teeth, your mouth is a sea. Your bacteria is my nectar. I'm a bee, I'm a bee. Turn on your TV, there's a picture of me.